Hello, Mr. Mason. I have here your drive, and I put new warranty stickers on the side here and right here, so we can verify them when you receive the drive. And right now, what I want your tech also to verify, it's when you receive the drive, hook up just those L11, L21 without the MC1 and without the hooking up the main 3-phase power right here. I would just hook up those wires, and remember, very important, don't hook up the rest of your equipment, the spindle drive or your axis drives. And and right now, as it is, like right now, I would just with those two wires in, I would just power on the machine. When I power on the machine, I have the B number right away on your drive. And maybe at your, because I'm pretty much sure, like I said in the earlier video, that we did too much testing on that. It was running hot and all that stuff. Everything checks out fine. And we replaced even the parts which did not need to be replaced on that. But I think what might happen, what might be going on, maybe some other drive, like maybe a spindle drive or one of the axis drives. I think they might be shorting out this one, or the voltage. Maybe there is if it goes through maybe a contactor. Maybe there is something wrong with the contactor. It shows you a voltage, but you cannot get enough amperage. But your tech said he used different power supply and worked fine. So one more suggestion on that. I would make sure that if you hook up these two phases, it's called L11, L21, I will make sure that 1 and 2 are in those spots. This is actually same phase. L11 is supposed to be on a U right here, L21 supposed to be on V, and W, that's a third phase going to the power supply right here, which is not hooked up here. Other than that, maybe these mismatched, and there's maybe something going on with it. Other than that, I have no other suggestions. Also, maybe this plug, maybe when your tech put this drive without maybe this plug in, and everything came up, maybe the device, another device like a spindle or power supplies, or the servos, but it has to be a spindle because this one's all hooked up to a spindle. Maybe they are shorting this main board, so maybe there is some other issue. And right now, as it is, I'll just power the machine on, and your drive comes up, right away. And after the second time you got it, after the first time we fixed it, we replaced, like I said, the capacitors inside also, which instead of this coming up within like 1 or maybe 1.5 second delay, right now it comes up instantaneously. But I think maybe through this plug something maybe is shorting out this one, and maybe when Rick, I think, or Paul use this drive, maybe another drive from another machine without hooking this one up, maybe that was that's why the drive came up. And that's why when you receive it, please don't hook up anything else, just those L11, L21. Don't hook up these, and don't hook up the DC link also, and don't hook up these, which go to a spindle and a power supplies. And when you have it on those two, only on those two, I will just power it on and see if it comes up. If it comes up, then I'll go again. I'll hook up these and then power it on and see if it comes up. If after hooking up these it doesn't come up, that means something here in this part it's bad. If let's say everything comes up okay, and then you plug in this plug and it doesn't come up, then that means the spindle drive right here, it's shorting out this board. So be very careful when you get it first time. Just hook up those two, L11, L21, and then give it a try. Other than that, man, it should run fine. We even tested, like on previous video I showed you, with 189 volts coming in, and everything comes up right now, you know, right away with no problems. It should, because we replaced whole drive, you know, with all new parts. So Mr. Mason, please let me know right away when you receive it, and when you put it in, or Rick and Paul, if you can hook it up, you know, just first the L11, L21, and then try to power it on, and we'll see. We're gonna go from there. Thank you so much, guys, and talk to you later. Bye bye.